Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to perform the hard reset of Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro by using the recovery mode. In order to do that, we need to power off our device first. So let's open the power menu by pressing the power button and volume up key, at least by default. This is how we can open the power menu, and then of course swipe up to power off. Then once the device is off, you want to press and hold the power button and the volume up key at the same time. So press and hold both of these buttons, and once you see the logo, you want to release the power button but keep holding the volume up key. So keep holding both of these buttons, and now release the power button but keep holding volume up. Soon we should see the recovery mode. There we go. And now over here, of course, we use volume up and down in order to navigate. So go down to choose wipe data, confirm by pressing the power button, and then once again go to wipe data and confirm by once again pressing the power button. And this is how we can hard reset by using the recovery mode. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!